Hi, welcome to a Liquid Eye how-to episode. I'm Dave Yamaya, the Japan agent, and today we're going to talk about gear sleeves and how to attach them to your lens, your zoom lens. As you can see, gear sleeves come in different sizes and they are made specifically for a specific zoom lens. Today we're going to use my 1740 and we're going to use this shorter gear sleeve because the zoom ring is in a low position. Before you attach the gear sleeve, you want to make sure that your zoom is out to the minimum focal range, in this case 17 millimeters. When attaching the gear sleeve, you attach it from the bottom of your lens and you want the position to be at about 8 millimeters from the base of your lens, not including the mount. Also, you want to locate the center of your lens, and what I've done was I've made a mark on my gear sleeve to make it easier to attach. So we just slide it on and line up that line. Line is about a little over 2 centimeters from the end of the teeth of this gear. And you want to line it up just like that. It's quite simple. Take your designated hex key and tighten the hex bolts around the lens, just like that. Now, if you make it too tight, you're going to have trouble spinning this when it's in the housing. So you want it to be tight enough, but not too tight. And that looks about good. All right. Once your gear sleeve is attached properly, it's time to mount it onto your camera. You want to zoom in to, in this case, 40 millimeters before putting it on the camera. Remove the caps from both your camera body and your lens and attach your lens to your camera. Now that you're ready to load your camera into the housing, there are a couple things that you want to check. Make sure your cable is attached for your shutter. Your power is on, battery, media is loaded, your designated base plate for your camera and housing, and removing of course, your lens cover and any filters you may have on your lens. You also want to bring your zoom back to the minimal focal length. On your housing, you remove the back plate and set your zoom control to a downward position. Then you're ready to load your camera into the housing. When you get to this point, you can kind of jiggle the handle a bit and your camera will slide right in. Now it's ready for zooming like that. Don't forget, please subscribe to our channel and see you next time with another episode. Thanks for watching.